everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to Taipei. Today I'm at the National Palace Museum in Taipei, which has one of the largest collections of ancient Chinese imperial artifacts and artwork in the world. It has over 700,000 pieces of artwork and artifacts, and the collection encompasses about 8,000 years of Chinese history, from the Neolithic era to the modern era, but a lot of the works are from the Ming and the Qing dynasties. But I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. It's pretty.
Taiwan ベトナムみたいなこれでお茶のセットを買って。
Whoa. That's it, everybody, for my tour of the National Palace Museum in Taipei. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, please check out my China videos, my Hong Kong videos, my Thailand videos, my Philippines videos, my Taiwan videos, my Kung Fu videos, and my hiking videos. And I'll see you guys next time.